Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Umengameli ANC Cyril Ramaphosa uthi iqembu lisemgodwini ongcono njengamanje wokuyihlela kanye nokuyivuselela kwalo njengoba lihlanganisa ikhulu ne-12 leminyaka selokhu lasungulwa. Abaholi abehlukene einhlakeni zangaphakathi zeqembu bedlulise imlayezo yezilokotho zabo baphinde baphawula nangezimo zezwe kanye nezombusazwe.
Umengameli uthi njengoba iqembu namhlanje lihlanganisa ikhulu leminyaka ne-12 selokhu lasungulwa ngo-1912 selikwazile ukwedlula kuzinselelo eziningi selike labhekana nazo. Uqagule ukuthi amaqembu amaningi ezombusazwe azozama ukusebenzisa udaba lwenkinga yogesi ezweni njengethuluzi lokuzama ukuzakhela ugazi njengoba kuzoyiwa ukhethweni nonyaka.
Electricity is still a challenge, let's admit that. A load shedding is still a challenge. But we are going to solve a problem, your load shedding. We are bringing more and more megawatts onto the system, and Nina Lapa Mpumalanga, the whole nation needs to stand up and thank you for being the province that lights up the whole country.
uRamaphosa uphinde wagcizelela ngelokuthi uhulumeni olawulwa yi-ANC osengakwazi ukubhekana nezinselelo zezwe.
It could mean ukuthi abantwana batholi iNSFAS if you weaken this organization. Ngoba la amanye amaqembu asazi ukuthi bona whether they will have the determination that we have heard, the bravery and the courage that President of the Youth League was talking about, whether they'll have it to continue solving the problems of our people. We have addressed to solving those problems from 1912.
Amalungu obuholo phezulu be-ANC athi awanakho ukungabaza ngokuthi izinkulungwane zabalandeli ezizotheleka ngobuningi bazo enkundleni imbombela ngomgqibelo.
Umvoti uGqirha Peter Magubane uthulule umnqwazi ngendima ayidlalileyo ekulweni ucalucalulo ngefoto wayezithabatha ibonisa ixesha phansi korhulumente wengcinezelo. Uye wabongwa ke ngethuba kuqhutywa inkonzo yesikhumbuzo kwinkonzo yamaRoma eRegina Mundi eSoweto. uGqirha Magubane ubhubhe ngomhla wokuqala emva kokugula ixesha elide eneminyaka engama-91.
Kuhlonishwe iqhawe elalwela inkululeko. Udokotela Peter Magubane wasebenzisa ikhono lakhe lokuthwebula wathwebula ukungabikho kobulungiswa ngesikhathi sobandlululo. Abaningi ke bamhloniphe ngeqhaza libamba ngokusebenzisa ikhono lakhe wacaba indlela eya enkululekweni.
Oba kwethu ngithi salute Juba Magubane. Salute to all the veterans who are here. I can see most of them here. We risked our lives for this liberation struggle. Were it not for this media, the world would not have known what was going on in South Africa.
Wathwebula icala eladuma kakhulu iRefuting trial, imashi yabesifazane yango-1956, inhlekelele yaseSharpeville, imashi yabafundi bango-1976, kanye nezinye-ke izigameko ezenzeka ngesikhathi sobandlululo. uMagubane ke wahlonishwa ngendondo iNet Nakasa Award for Courageous Journalism. Umculi uSipho Hotstick Mabuza naye umhloniphe uMagubane.
We need to create a monument, we need to create a museum where all his pictures and everything, where young people can be educated about his role.
Umengameli ke uCyril Ramaphosa uhloniphe uMagubane ngomngcwabo sesigabeni sesibili ezingeni lesifundazwe. uMagubane uzobekwa endaweni yakhe yokugcina ngoLwesithathu.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme udokotela uBlade Nzimande uthi angeke esule esikhundleni sakhe. Uchithe umbiko wenziwe inhlangano labakhokha intela iOuter omiyamanisa nosihlalo weNSFAS uErnest Khosa kanye nabanye ekukhwabaniseni ithenda kulesi sikhungo. Uthi ke abameli bakhe baphezulu kwalo lolu daba.
First,
uNzimande usolwa ngokubandakanyeka enkohlakalweni nokufuna ukufumbathiswa izinkampani ezinezinkontileka neNSFAS. Lokhu kulandela ukubhujuka kwezingxoxo eziqoshiwe ezingaqinisekisiwe SABC ukuthi ziyiqiniso kangakanani.
The purpose of this media briefing is to challenge the allegations contained in the Outer report, refute the related distortions, and take the public into confidence on what is really behind these allegations.
Nokho uNzimande uzichithile zonke lezi zinsolo.
I want evidence, genuine evidence. Nzimande, you took so many kickbacks. Nzimande, you took $1 million to the South African Communist Party. We are a constitutional state, for God's sake. We are not a banana republic.
uNzimande uthi ngonyaka odlule NSFAS yabelwa izigidi ezingama47 zamarandi ukuba ilekelela abafundi abangaphezudlwana kwesigidi. Uthi uzohlangana nebhodi lalesi sikhungo ngolesithathu ukuze belungiselele ukuqala konyaka omusha wezemfundo. Yize zanda eziphakamiso zokuthi kumele shenxe esikhundleni uthi akayindawo.
I don't see the reason why I should resign, to be quite honest. I'm doing my job as I've been given by the president, and I'm continuing. As I have said, Thursday I'll be back here.
uNzimande uphinde waveza nokuthi SACP yaziqhelelanisa nokuqukethwa umbiko we-Alta.
Kusenjalo iqembu iDemocratic Alliance lithi lizovulela amacala obugebengu ungqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme malungana nezinsolo zokugwazelwa. Ngaphezulu kwalokho leli qembu lizobhalela umengameli ukuze iSIU iphenye izinsolo zenkohlakalo nokukhishwa kwamathenda esikhwama seNSFAS futhi ke bafuna ibhantshi eligcwele umoya kungqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme.
We are preparing criminal charges against Nzimande, and we are also briefing our legal team to declare the NSFAS board delinquent over the corrupt and irrational direct payment and accommodation tenders.
uSteenhuisen uphinde wasola uRamaphosa ngokuba yivaka ngelithi umsabisa okwezulu owabe ewumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma.
President Ramaphosa is so scared to death of Jacob Zuma that he even let over 10,000 prisoners out of prison as an excuse to release the former president from jail. Many of those released have gone on to perpetrate great crimes against the people of South Africa again. Under President Ramaphosa, not a single person, not one, has been imprisoned for state capture.
Konke lokhu kwenzeka nje ziyaqonga ezingqinamba ezikhongethe lesikhwama kwazise kusanda kukhonjwa indlela isikhulu saso esiphezulu uAndile Nongogo naye owabe enindeka ezinsolweni zenkohlakalo.
Abazali abaninzi basencise kwiphondo laseMpuma Koloni bayasokola ukufumana iziphumo zabantwana babo. Batyhola izikolo ngokubamba kuba betyala imali yesikolo nto leyo esisenzo esingekho mthethweni.
Ukungafumani ingxelo yeziphumo zomfundi kubangela abafundi bangakwazi ukuqhubekela phambili nezifundo zabo. Abazali kuyabaxhalabisa oku.
Umntanam lo use-high school umdala andiyifumananga i-report nge-reason loba ndilahle i-receipt. So ke ngoDisemba xa funeke ngondise i-receipt yangoJanuary endilahlileyo funeke yothatha i-report kwafuna i-receipt ndabe ndingenayilahlekile. Then the two bona abayifumenanga ilentuka i-report ngenxa yotypek abonga amnikeze umiss ongasekhoyo. So ke ngokwathiwa bayashota otypek kanjalo ke.
Isiphatha kabuhlungu ngoba kaloku abantwana vele kaloku abakwazi ukufunda kahle xa ungabhatalanga kaloku bade bagxothe nogxothe esikolweni.
Isebe lezemfundo linolwazi ngalomkhuba ukuba usasetyenziswa zezinye izikolo.
Umntana kabina sivumelano nasikolo, isivumelano sibakhona sibaphakathi komzali kwakunye nesikolo. Nto leyo ithi umntana kufuneka ngabehlukumezeka angafumani report abanye abantwana bezifumene angazazi nento ba yena progressa na okanye ka progress ngenxa into ba kukho imali kuthiwa akayibhatalanga.
Umboxela uthi ukugqibisana noku baza kuseka indlela yokunxibelelana kaWhatsApp nalapho abafundi baza kukwazi ukuxela ingxaki ezikumila kunje. NdinguNomzwane Lemngoma kwiindaba ze-SABC eNcise.
Ngolwesine inkantolo ezobulungiswa yamazwe omhlaba izolalela isicelo seNingizimu Afrika sokufuna ukuphoqa elakwa-Israyeli ukuba liyeke ukuhlasela eGaza.
Umhlaba kungenzeka ubheke unyaka omusha kepha isimo asihle njengoba iqhubeka nje impi eseGaza elakuleli libhekise amabombe enkantolo yamazwe ezobulungiswa lithi izenzo zezwe lakwa-Israyeli zihlose nje ukubulala abantu basePalestina eGaza.
given the kind of destruction that we have seen in Gaza since the 7th of October, and not only the high number of deaths, but also the high number of deaths of children amongst the 22,000 or so people that are confirmed to have died, around nearly 8,000 of them are reportedly children.
Iningizimu Afrika iqhube yathi elakwa-Israyeli lehlulekile ukunqanda ukubulawa kwabantu kusukela mhla ziyikhombisa kuMfumfu nyakenye, kodwa umbuzo uthi umhlaba uzokwenza njani mayelana nosokwenzeka njengamanje.
In this case, South Africa may be doing the U.S. a favor because the U.S. desperately wants a ceasefire. It's badly divided on the issue of Gaza and Palestinian suffering.
Umengameli usivikele isinqumo sezwe.
We are saying we stand on principle, and we were taught by the father of our democracy, who said our freedom will not be a true freedom unless the people of Palestine are free as well.
Inkantolo yezamazwe obulungiswa izolalela lolu daba ngolwesine nangolwesihlanu.
Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli lapha kusekhaya Jikelele. Umkhosi wencwala eSwatini umcimbi wamasiko owasungulwe emakhulwini eminyaka edlule. Injongo yalomcimbi ukubungaza ubukhosi, ukukhululeka kanye nokufundisa ngomlando wesizwe samaSwati. Lomkhosi ke ubaleka kakhulu kwingokomoya futhi kunezinto nje eziyimfihlo nezingcwele ezingasoze zadalulwa ezenziwayo kulomcimbi. Futhi kuyimpoqo ukuthi ihambeli zihloniphe inkambiso yawo. Ukuzwa kabanzi ngalomcimbi sixhumana nesazi samasiko aseSwatini uJJ Mayisela. JJ asikubingelele ekhaya Jikelele, sibonge kakhulu.
Ngiyavusela kubabukeli noxolo, ngivusele naku westudio sawubona.
Sawubona JJ. Ungasichazela yini ukuthi ngempela yini umkhosi wencwala yamaSwati futhi ushintshe kanjani ngokuhamba kwesikhathi?
Umkhosi wencwala uma siva bokhokho omkhulu ukuthi usukela kuphi, basilandzisa ukuthi lo mkhosi wencwala usukela enzaweni lebitwa ngekuthi iEmbo, enzaweni yaseKenya, lapho khona kwafika amadla ngengwenya walwisa abantu lebe bakhona, labanye ababulala, labanye abathengisa. Kwaba nesibonakaliso semuntu wakadlamini, lona lokungdlamini wekucala, lona abenemoya wekubona tintfo, wabese uthatha labantu ubaleka nabo uya nabo eningizimu nasempumalanga, lapho khona uNkulunkulu wamvedela ukuthi nathi tindvo lokumele ukuthi tendiwe kude ukuthi labantu laba kube mihambo nemasiko abo. Labo bantu base bamlandzela Dlamini wekucala lapho khona bakhululeka kulokuhlushwa lapho bebavalelwe khona. Umkhosi wencwala usho kuthini? Umkhosi wencwala usho ukukhululeka noma kuphuma ekuhluphekeni uphile kangcono. Ngabe lo mkhosi wendiwani uma ngabe kuthiwa kubungatwa noma kugidwa umkhosi wencwala? Kusuke lapho ke kuhlangenwe ebukhosini besive seMaswati lapho khona kutogujwa imihambo nemasiko. Le mihambo nemasiko sisho kuphi? Sikhuluma ngetindvo letatendiwa endvulo kungafiki imifakelwa. Njengekuthi kwakunesikhathi lapho khona umbila ungadliwa, inkosi ingakalumi yabese ivumela sive sayo ukuthi sekungadliwa tilimo. Lapho sithola ukuthi emkhosini wencwala ebantu beta naleto tilimo inkosi idle ikhulule sive sayo ukuthi bekunene manje seningasadla umbila nemaselwa naletinye tilimo. Kodwa na lemifakelwa yabese ifika iletha lushintsho lekuthi lapho khona umbila sewudliwa uze uphele umnyaka. Kodwa na ngesiswati sethu umbila wawudliwa ngesikhathi lesithide emuva kwekuthi inkosi seyisikhululile ukuthi cha bekunene ningasadla umbila nemaselwa naletinye tilimo.
Abantu baseSwatini ke JJ baqinisekisa kanjani ukulondolozwa kwalomlando?
Angakuva ma.
JJ bengibuza ukuthi abantu baseSwatini benza njani ukuze baqinisekise ukuthi lo mlando uyalondolozwa?
Lisiko leMaswati lifanana nelisiko lenkolo. Akufuqwa umuntu ukuthi alandzele lamasiko. Kuba ngiloyo lokholelwako ukuthi lamasiko ekuthi inkosi iqale yona ilume emaselwa noma umbila kubese kuba sikhathi lapho khona sive seMaswati siyakhona ukuthi sicale sesiwosa umbila noma sidle umbila. Umuntu ngoba siphila esikhathini lapho khona kunenkululeko kodwa na kuphocelelekile ukuthi sive seMaswati silandzele lena mihambo nemasiko ngobe ngiko lokulondvolota emasiko ethu ngekuthi sathi ukuthi umbila awudliwa ngesikhathi lesinje, udliwa ngesikhathi lesinje. Kanjalo awusuki nje uconze ensimini lapho ufike ulime ungaphumi umbiko wekuthi cha sive senkosi ningasaconza emasimini lapho khona niyocala kulima.
Ngabe ke JJ zikhona yini ke izinselelo ezibekelwe umkhosi wencwala?
Lapha sibuke ukuthi sive seMaswati uma sihlangene emkhosini wencwala kuba khona tindvo letendekako njengekuthi kusuke kukhuliswa leyo nkosi, kuba nemaculo lekaculwako, kube nemahubo lekahutshwako emkhosini wencwala lapho khona sive nobe inkosi nebantwana benkosi nemajaha nemabutho kuba nemigidvo leba khona. Uma seyindlulile umkhosi wencwala akusabese kuba khona emaculo le utawuva aculwa ngephandle kwendeka ebukhosini nasekundlulile kubese akusabikho umuntu lotawumuva emgwaceni athi hambela ngendlela ahubelele emaculo lawo bekaculwa encwaleni. Ubona ngani ukuthi sesikhathi sencwala? Ubona ngekuthi kunesisu lesithite lesakhethwa kuphuma sona siyolandza emanti. Sisu nasikhuluma ngesisu sikhuluma ngesibongo lapha sakandvandwe, sikhulume ngesibongo sakankambule bayahamba laba bekunene bahambe bayolanza lwandle bese kugidwa incwala lencane emva kwaloko kubese kugidwa incwala lenkulu kwenteka ngasikhathi sini lokhu nababuya laba bekunene kubese inyanga isuke isengakagcwali ngoba incwala igidwa uma seyigcwele lenyanga lokhu lokubitwa ngekuthi immune ngelwimi lekuboleka laba bekunene bayahamba babuye nalamandi uma babuya nalamandi kusuke ingagcwali lenyeti kubese kugidwe incwala lencane emva kwemalanga langemashumi nakune 14 days kubese kugidwa incwala lenkulu.
JJ ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengamanje njengoba nje sesiphila esikhathini sobuxhakaxhaka khona o-social media khona ini yimiphi imizamo eyenziwayo ukuze kugcinwe iy'mfihlo nobungcwele bey'ngxenye ey'thile zencwala?
Siphila esikhathini lapho khona tintfo setiwelele kakhulu emfakelweni kodwa nathi khona tintfo letingatsetshulwa emkhosini wencwala letintfo letigcinako tibe yimfihlo yesive ngoba akusiko konke lokuvetwako esiveni ngesizathu sekuthi letintfo leti lesitivetako kwamele ukuthi tivikele imihambo nemasiko ethu.
Engabe ke lo mkhosi unomthelela kanjani ekukhuthazeni umoya nje wobumbano nokuzazi njengabantu baseSwatini?
Kulukhuni kakhulu ngoba siphila esikhathini lapho khona abantu bafuna ukukhululeka kodwa nabafuna ukukhululeka balahle emasiko ngiwo lawo lekasikhuthatako ukuthi sikhone ukukhumbula bokhokho omkhulu noma sikhumbule ukuthi buntu yini ngoba umuntu umathi ukuthi lona ungumuntu ngoba ukhuliseke kahle ukhuliseke njengemuntu lo kwathi kugcina emasiko kanjalo nasemkhosini wencwala uma ngabe sekuyokhiwa lisekwane uma ngabe wende liphutha wagcina solala nesidzandzane lakho lisekwane lifika selohlokile kanzi ngelisiko lethu kwamele lifike lingahohloki uma ngabe selifika selohlokile liyasho ukuthi leli jaha leli liphambukile endleleni lagcina selenda njani selenda umkhuba labanye bayabaleka ngobe kuba khona sijeziso sekuthi sewende lokuphambene nelisiko.
So singasho yini JJ ukuthi mhlawumbe indlela okuqhutshwa ngayo noma musukhuluma ngakho lokho okuthiwa kuyawohloka kuyafana nomhlanga wesizwe samaZulu?
Kuyafana kakhulu.
Umehluko nje kuba ukuthi lapha kuyincwala kuzwa amajaha kuwa abantu besilisa.
Emkhosini wencwala kuta bonke bayafika bomake bayafika emajaha kuyagiywa kushiyelwane tiki.
Hayi cha kuzwakala ngazuthi impela nje umkhosi omnandi lo okhuluma ngayo wencwala. Sibonga kakhulu ke JJ ngesikhathi sakho nje ke sifisele konke okuhle sengathi ngaqhubeka isiko liqhubekele phambili naseyizukulwaneni nezizukulwane.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Lowo ke mbukeli beku JJ Mayisela oyisazi samasiko esichazela kabanzi nje ke ngomkhosi incwala festival eyenzeka lapha ya eSwatini sisiqu $8 siyabimba komsoswana.
Ezobuchwepheshe sibambe ngazibini ngokubani sahleli nathi kwaye siyanamkela kwakhona kwiminyaka nje eli-17 yobudala uHlayisa Mathebula sele enze ifuthe libonakalayo kwizibonelelo zemfundo ezifumanekayo kubemi boMzantsi Afrika. Lo mfundi ke uselula ngoku okwibanga le-10 kwisikolo samabanga phakamileyo iPJ Simelane wenze iwebsite ebizwa ngokuba yihlayiso esebenza ke njengevenkile ethengisa zonke incwadi ezidlulileyo kunye nezikhokelo zokufunda. Eyona nto ke eyenza ukuba le mpumelelo ichukumise ngakumbi kukuba uHlayiso wenze iwebsite eyedwa kungekho qela okanye inkxaso-mali. Sinaye ke kuZoom ukusixelela banzi ngayo. Hlayiso, masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni. Ngaphambi kokuba nje sihlabele mgama, mandithi congratulations ngomsebenzi omhle owenzileyo. Unjani?
Ngiyaphila wena?
Ndiyaphila nami enkosi. Uneminyaka eyi-17, ndiyeva into yokubana usebenze wedwa kungekho nkxaso okanye inkxaso-mali. Khawusixelele yintoni wena yakukhuthaza ukuba wenze le website ethi Hlayiso encedisana nabafundi?
Ngaphendula nge-English. English.
Isizulu nesizulu si-right okanye ufuna isiNgesi?
Yeah, English is about better.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The motivation behind creating the website Hlayiso was that I wanted to create an easy-to-use app, a one-stop shop app for all education resources for South Africans, and a website that has a lot of resources and make study resources more accessible to everyone for free.
Wow, uyathi into yobana apha wenze zonke ezi zixhobo zikwazi ukufikelela simahla kubafundi. Ingaba mhlawumbe ufunde njani izakhono eziyimfuneko ukwenza le website? Because I mean, for sure, creating a website is no child's play. Where did you learn the skill to create this website?
I learned on YouTube and some Udemy courses.
And how long did it take you? I mean, I want to understand, from learning from YouTube, how long did it take you to learn and actually create your own website?
It took me almost a year, because I started in 2020 during the COVID-19
Wow.
lockdown period.
Hlayiso, uye wakhankanya into yokuba sele unabantu abaninzi abasebenzisa le website. Ingaba mhlawumbe ukwazi njani ukutsala inani labantu into yobana bayisebenzise iwebsite? I mean, having a lot of people accessing your website, especially considering that the fact that you say that it's free. What sort of marketing strategy did you have to use to ensure that, I mean, you attract a lot of people to your website?
Firstly, I started by joining a lot of WhatsApp groups, and then I was sharing the link. And later on, I started to create short videos and share them on TikTok. And then it's where I managed to get a lot of traffic on my website.
Wow. Ndiyafuna ngoku singene mhlawumbe kwimicelimngeni or challenges that you faced along the way, because I know, like I said before, that it's not something that can happen overnight. What are some of the challenges that you actually faced when you were creating this website? And I mean, how did you overcome ezo challenges othe wabe kanti ujamelana nazo?
The issues I had faced was those when the website would go down unexpectedly and I would have to fix it. I don't know how to fix it, and I had to go to some forums and YouTube videos and see how I can fix that. And sometimes the design will get broken, and I would have to use the caching system. I had to learn that from YouTube picture. And then the other thing is balancing fixing studies and making the website. The other one, I managed to get the balance last year during term 3.
Yeah.
So around September.
Hlayiso, ndifuna ukuqonda into yobana, I mean, how do you ensure that la maphepha owathumelayo kule website into yokubana achanekile, meaning that they are accurate looking at previous papers? And I mean, you speak about the challenges that you faced. I want to understand that now that you have the app, are you getting any support? Do you wish to get support? And if so, iqonga lelakho ungamemelela into yokubana abantu bakuxhase?
really, I ensure reliability because the papers and the study guides, I sourced them from the DPE website and the Western Cape and Eastern Cape. Currently, I'm not getting support, but I would like to get one. Yeah.
Oh, yes. And where do people get hold of you if they want to support this initiative? Sondela nje embokweni siza kuva kakuhle. Kuyabonakala into yokubana saphulukene naye kodwa ke besincokola naye uHlayiso Mathebula othe wabe kanti wenza i-app apho kaloku efundisa abafundi ngamaphepha adlulileyo. Sibambe ngazibini kuye kwaye simnqwenelela okuhle kodwa siziqala ke siziqongqotha ngolohlobo mbukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele bekumnandi ukuba nawe. Siyathemba into yokubana inkqubo esithe sakuqulunqela yona sayididiyela urhabule wafinca wahlutha apha esiswini. Kodwa siyabuya ngomso siziphakazi ishushu kananjalo.
Ihora lesithupha nje malishaya lithi ngqo eimpondweni yithi la ekhaya Jikelele sobe sesila sesokuphakela ke izindaba zosuku kusasa kulesithathu ke ekseni. Sibonga kakhulu mbukeli ukuthi sihlanganyele kanye nani nibe nje nosuku oluhle nisale kahle.